Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Maru Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to discuss the complete detailed solutions of the SSC CGL live mock which was conducted over the weekend. Now let's join this session quickly and share this across platforms so that all you aspirants together can come here. You can feel the competition and you can absolutely reap full benefits from these sessions which we are bringing for you. If you're watching this for the first time, if you are new to the channel, the first and foremost thing, which is the most important thing which you have to do, is hit the subscribe button right away, because that lets us know that whatever we are bringing for you is giving a connection, is getting through to you, and we would like to keep bringing that repeatedly. Also, if you're liking this content, if you're liking the session, hit the like button right away and do watch this session till the end. We can have two types of students in these sessions. Number one, those who have given the live mock, they can just analyze the solutions with me here. And number two, those who might not have given the live mock but are seeing this session, you can take this as a practice session, take your time and give me the correct answers while I solve it for you online. So let's start without any further ado. I know within the next 5 minutes, as soon as you get a pop-up notification on the application, you guys will start joining. So as of now, those who are watching this session, those are my serious students. Very good. I appreciate it. For all the others, those who are waiting for the app to give you a notification, you guys are late. Anyways, let's start the very first question. Very easy question. You need to find out the water image of this question. Anybody, you can put the answers in the chat box. Very good. ASO Akash. So I am happy with the concept that you've given the answer, but I think you have not given the mock. So that is why this issue. Let me just do like this. Now it will be more clear to you. So figure 2 is the correct answer. But option C is the right answer. Why? Because figure 2, exactly, if you see, percentages will be coming down. This is gone. Now after percentage you have GP. So you have GP, this is gone. Now GP ampersand, and this is 5 here, this is M here. So this is gone. You don't even have to check the image. Just by the positioning of the elements, you will get your correct answer. So figure 2, option C is the right answer. Figure 2, option C is the right answer. Clear? Next, question number 2. Mostly easy questions, guys. The overall logic, the overall level was actually at par at the examination only, except for 1 or 2 questions. One question of syllogism which I found some students might face some difficulties with. Yes, try this one. Easy again. So this is a statement based analogy. 42 is related to 87 by certain logic. Following the same logic, 10 is related to 23. Which of the following is 18 related to? Yes, anyone? No? See. Now 42 and 87. Then you watch 10 and 23. There is certain thing which clicks to you. If you multiply 42 by 2, you get 84. You add 3 to it, you get 87. If you multiply 10 by 2, you get 20. You add 3 to it, you get 23. So if it is fitting both the cases, it will fit there also. So for 18, you need to multiply with 2, that is 36, and you need to add 3 to it, so you will get 39. So what will 18 be related to? It will be option C, 39. So it will be related to option C, 39. Correct? Next. Easy. Interesting, easy question. Alphabet test based. Argamita, very good. Excellent. So what is happening here? Quetzal. We have the word as Quetzal. Quetzal. Now they are saying you are dropping the vowels first. So you will drop all these vowels first. And now they are saying whatever consonants are there reduced by 1. So this is 17. So we have 16. 20. So we have 19. 26. So we have 25. And 12. So we have 11. This is what is left. They are asking you the first letter from the left and the first letter from the right. So this is P and K. They are asking you how many letters are there between them in the English alphabet. So this is 16th position, this is 11th position. But don't simply subtract them, because if you subtract them, you are actually not subtracting it completely. This is not being completely removed here. In reality, they have only 4 elements in between them. 12, 13, 14, 15. But if you subtract, you will get 5 as the answer. Okay. So 4 is the correct answer, which is option A. Good job. Sir, clear नहीं है. आकाश जी क्या clear नहीं है बताइए. ये वाला सवाल. You want me to repeat this? See, if you read the question carefully, the question is telling you that there is a word Quetzal. Quetzal. Now, in this word, each vowel is dropped. If all the vowels in the word Quetzal are dropped, so we drop the vowels. We'll remove U. Sorry. So we'll remove U, E, and A. Now, whatever is left, the consonants are left. They are saying the consonants are taken one step back. Preceding letter means one step back. So subtract 1 from each place value. So this is 17, 20, 26 and 12. So 17 minus 1 is 16, which is P. 20 minus 1 is 19, which is S. 26 minus 1 is Y. 25. 12 minus 1 is 11, K. Now the question is asking you how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between the letter which is first from the left and first from the right. They are asking you how many letters are there between P and K in the English alphabet. English alphabet, how many letters are there between P and K? So we have K, we have P, L, M, N, O. How many letters are there? 4 letters. So your answer becomes option A. Clear now? Perfect. Next. Question number 4. Easy question. But why do students end up taking a lot of time? Because very good, Argamita. Excellent. So what is the logic here? See, from 83 to 6800. Okay. From 67 to 4400. What is going on? This is being multiplied for sure, and this is not a simple multiplication. It is most probably being squared. Now, if you square this, if you square 83, you will get a number which ends in 9. I'll tell you the number. It is 6869. Am I right? And if we check 67, 70 minus 3, this will be 4489. What is happening here? 6878. So if you subtract 11, you get 6878. And here also, if you subtract 11, you get 4478. So what can be done here? 76 square. End digit will be 6 and 6 minus 11, 1. So the end digit will be 5. So either 5765 or 5495 will be correct. Now 76 square. If you check the square, it is 5776. You subtract 11, you get 5765. So option A is the right answer. Question number 5. Very easy question. Thank you, Argamita. So sweet. It's just an allergy, nothing else, nothing serious. Participate, guys, all of you. I can just simply come here, discuss the mock and go. But I'm giving you a chance so that you can solve it and let me know. Good, very good. Excellent. This is very easy actually. If you observe carefully what is happening, this is 10, this is 7. So you are subtracting 3 from it. Subtracting 3 from it. 21, 18, 3. Now 14, 12, 2. 7, 5, 2. 12, 11, 1. 5, 4, 1. So minus 3 2 times, minus 2 2 times, minus 1 2 times. Now 9 minus 3 is 6, that is F. The word will start with F. If you observe, only one option is there. So once you check the given word completely, the question word need not be checked completely. You can find from, isolate from options directly. Question number 6. This is a very good question. It is so simple, it is so easy, but it ends up consuming a lot of your time. Good, Akash, absolutely right. Very good. No, think again. Observe the question. What is it asking you? No? Hey, it's okay, don't be sorry. You can change your answer, it's not a problem. See, one thing is for sure that your middle number is being squared to get the first number. Right? So this is eliminated. 14 square is 196, 19 square 361, 21 square 441. What else? Now how do you obtain the third number? No matter how much you try, from here you will go to here, from here you will go to here, you will multiply, you will divide, you will do everything, but you will not check one thing. If you add 108 to 16, what do you get? 124. Similarly, if you add 108 to 24, you will get 132. So this is just adding 108. Now see, 9 plus 8 can give you 7. It's not here, not here. 19 plus 108 is 127. So option C becomes my correct answer. Question number 7. Easy. Which alphabet represents coffee is cold? There's no rocket science here. No. Coffee is cold. Yes, sorry. Correct. No rocket science whatsoever. Absolutely easy question. Correct. Good. We have Stuti's vlogs and Harshit also who have participated. Very good. Yeah, I can show you the options, but it's not needed, no. It's very clear that K is between cold and coffee, nothing else. Okay. Next, question number 8. Good job. 2 orientations are shown. How will the box look when it is unfolded? So if you open this box, these are the same orientations of the same box, same cube. When opened, how will it look like? Correct, very good. So what is the logic here? See, the logic is they are both completely different. So directly you can't find out what is opposite to what. But you can clearly say what is not opposite to what. That is for sure. Adjacent figures will never be opposite. Now if you look at the figures, here 3 and 6 are opposite. Okay, may be possible. 2 and 4 are opposite. Practically impossible. Why? Because in the first orientation, 2 and 4 are coming adjacent to each other. So this can never be our possible answer. Again, if we see 6 and 4 here, opposite. 6 and 4 here, not our answer. What else? We have 6 and 2 here. Again, not possible. 6 and 2, not possible. There is only one possibility. 6 is opposite to 1, probably possible. 5 is opposite to 2, probably possible. And 3 is opposite to 4, probably possible. So answer A is the correct answer. This figure 1 is the correct answer, which is an option A. Good job. Question number 9. You have to find the odd one out. The odd group. Very easy question. Extremely easy question. This was asked for the first time in CGL Tier 2. The first CGL Tier 2. Similar question, not the same question. Okay, good. So what's the logic here? The logic is 137 plus 5 is 142 plus 5 is 447. 103 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7. So option B becomes my right answer. Next, question number 10. Correct. Yeah, no problem, no problem. You can make as many errors here as you want. Not an issue at all. Just make sure that you learn something. Till that time, you don't have to be sorry for making errors. Yes. Okay. You're doing a quick error, Argamita. Just check that. Good. Harshit is absolutely right. Very good. See, what happens is, if you observe the logic carefully, this is 16, this is 17, so plus 1. Now 9 and 7 minus 2. 14 and 15 plus 1. 5 and 3 minus 2. 1 and 2 plus 1. 16 and 14 minus 2. 16 and 1, 17 plus 1. 12 minus 10 plus 2, minus 2, and 1 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the logic is plus 1 minus 2 alternating. Plus 1 minus 2, remember, don't end up subtracting 1 from here. That is what everybody, that is where everybody makes a mistake. So plus 1, 15 plus 1 is 16. 18 minus 2 is also 16. PP, option A is the correct answer. The commonest error which a lot of students do. Rest, almost everything is the same. Okay. Question number 11. Be careful, guys. Almost very easy questions often create problems for us. Amrendra Thakur, absolutely right. Paras Rajput, absolutely correct. Good. Rest all of you need to check. Now try this one. Correct, very easy. So Ria starts walking towards the south, and after walking for P meters, she walked P meters, she turns left and walks another P plus 23 meters. And she turns left again and walks P minus 16 meters. If she has walked a total of 58, so the sum of these three is 58. So 3P plus 7 is 58. So what is the value of 3P? It is 51. What is the value of P? P is 17. 51 divided by 3. So option B is the right answer. Question number 12. See, now the answers are all almost only integers which are possible, right? We need complete numbers as our answers. Very good, excellent. Now see that by luck it happened that you checked the first answer and it came to be correct. But in the examination, how will you eliminate? So division sign has to come between two numbers which are divisible with each other. Now here they'll give you a fraction, okay, as your answer. And also there is no multiplication nearby. So this is definitely not the case. Now if you see plus divide, plus divide, plus divide. For the rest of it, this is plus, this is divide. That is for sure. Now you need to check what else can come here. So if 78 is divided by 6, okay, you get 13 here. And 13, whatever can happen with 13. So you have two multiplication signs. So most probably it will be multiplied by 4. So this will give you 13 and 4 is 52. 52 we have here. Then we subtract 12 and we add 2. 54, 12, 42. Yes, option A is the absolute correct answer. So partial solving will also get you your correct answer. Okay. Option A is the right answer. Next, question number 13. Very easy question. Try this. Okay, very good. Sorry. So you have 20, 16, minus 4, 16, 12, minus 4, 12, 8, minus 4, 8, 4, minus 4. So 4 minus 4 will be 0, that is Z. We will start with Z, so this is gone, this is gone. Sorry. Second position, A plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 5 is 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 5 is 26 again, which is Z again. So Z option A is the right answer. Okay. Question number 14. Very easy again. Try. Good job. Now I am liking this session. Everybody, the number of people who are watching the session and almost everybody is participating. Excellent job, guys. Wonderful. Very happy to see this. Okay, what about this one? No? Okay, Amrendra has given a shot, but that is incorrect, sadly. What is the logic which you are getting? Anyone else? See, check the difference here. Difference here will be 2. Difference here will be 5. And here it is 20. Difference is increasing. Okay. Now, we don't know what is going to come here. So, we'll have to randomly put because everything is around only. So, put 30 here. The difference will be 6. And difference will be 17 and 20. Does it make sense? I don't think so. Even if you check the difference of difference, you will get 3 here, then 1, then 11. Does not make sense. So this is not the correct answer. Next, check for 32. So if I check for 32, so we have 24, 32, this becomes 8. Then we have 15. Again does not make sense. Why? Because this is 3 again, this is 7, this is 5. Again does not make sense. So this is also not the correct answer. Now you put 33, 20. So this will give me 24 and 33 is 9, 33 and 47 is 14. Now check 2. So this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. Makes perfect sense. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 15. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. What is the logic here? VVT is going to help you mostly. VVT. Okay, so this is VVT most probably. T dash VVT. So T dash VVT. So this is TT. So VVTT, VVTT. Okay. So we should have the second one should be V, third one should be T. Second one should be V, third one should be T. Then there is a blank, then there is a T. There is a blank, there is a U, there is a blank, there is a U here. So then this probably won't be the answer. Then after a blank there has to be a U most probably. So VVTU, VVTT. Okay, VVTV probably, right? So we check for option. Which one can be a possible correct answer? Okay, this is not the logic. The repeat pattern is not following here. Okay, what else can be a possible logic? So if you apply option C, you get TUV, U, TUV, T, UU, TT, UUV. So what is happening? TUV, double T, W, double V, triple T, triple U, triple V. So option C is the right answer. Question number 16. Blood relations. Right. Increasing order is correct. Now try this one. Knees, okay. How is D related to H? What about the others? Argameda is picking up speed. What about the rest of you? You want me to wait more? You can tell me. D related to H, we will plot only this much. So H plus J. H plus J means J is the sister of H. Be careful. J into G. G is the son of J. And G plus D. D is the sister of G. How is D related to H? So H is sister's daughter. So it is a niece. Option C is absolutely correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 17. What questions are these? Instantly you can give me the answer. Come on. No, Paras. Niece is the correct answer. No problem. Absolutely right. Try it. Keep trying. Trying is what is required from all of you. If there are so many people watching the session, I want everybody to participate. These many chats should be coming in. Even if they are incorrect, I don't mind. If you simply write the place values, you will be able to see it. And if you are a champion, and champion means by now you don't need to write place values, then it will be visible to you what is the logic. Correct, absolutely right. Paras and Argamita, good job. And Akash also. Very good, very good, very good. What is the logic here? L, code for L is 12. I is 9. M is 13. E is 5. Just writing it in the flip order. So begin, it will be, we'll start from N, so we'll 1, 4. 1, 4, 1, 4. Then I. So 1, 4, 9. Option D is the right answer. Okay. (18) Seating arrangement. Correct, correct, correct. Very good. Amarinda, absolutely right. Very good. Okay. Yes, that's right. Argamita, absolutely correct. Very good. There are 7 people sitting in a horizontal table. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are all facing the north. Now they are saying that A is sitting somewhere to the right of E. So if there is somewhere in E, there is somewhere in A to the right. Not exactly immediately right. 2 people are sitting between B and D. So we have 2 options here, B dash dash D or D dash dash B. Now C is sitting adjacent to B. So either here or here or here or here. Is sitting immediately to the right of F. Now see, if C is sitting here, cannot sit right of F. If C is sitting here, cannot sit right of F. C will either sit here or here. So the options are C, B dash dash D or D dash dash D dash CB. 2 possibilities yet. Okay. Now next they are asking you right of F. So C is sitting immediate right of F. So we can have FCA or here. Now G is sitting in one of the ends, okay, and is sitting 4th to the right of D. 4th to the right of D is sitting at one of the ends, so G has to be here only. Now if you see 4 to the right of D, 1, 2, 3, 4, G will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 to the right of D, 1, 2, 3, 4, G. This will not be possible because this will go above the scope. So you delete this case, this is the only possible case. So we have G, B, C, F, D. And E is to the right of A, that is only one possibility, this. Correct? Who is sitting third to the left of C? 1, 2, 3, it has to be E. Option. No, how come you are getting B? Oh, sorry. A is to the right of E, not E. My bad. A is to the right of E. So option is A. Option B, A. Good. Next, question number 19. Figure analogy based question. This is a 1 second question, guys. Instant 1 second question. Nothing more than that. Correct. So what is happening is the figure which is here is moving 90° anti-clockwise. So the figure, if it is facing like this, how will it move 90° anti-clockwise? Like this? Like this? So the base will be on the bottom and it will flow on the top like this. So figure 2 is the correct answer, which is Option D. Question number 20. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. Lot of students end up making an error here. Try this one. Let's see who gives me the first correct answer. Good. Argamida, absolutely right. Conclusions 1 and 2 follow. Okay, excellent. Good job, good job, good job. For the rest of you, if you are still trying, don't worry. It's okay. It's a very interesting question because all B being D is a possibility is very commonly heard of. Or can never be. We have heard that all B can never be D. Also heard of that. That is a definite case. But is never a possibility is also kind of a definite case. Okay. Don't be fooled by the word possibility here. This is somewhat like can never only. Now, no A or B. So, no A or B. All C or B. So, all C or B. No C or D. So, C is also restricted in B. Now, it is saying some B or C. Some B or C is absolutely right. Not a problem. Second one is saying all B being D is never a possibility. Yes. Because if I take all B into D, this C will also go into D, which is restricted, which is not allowed. Okay. Supposedly, if this was written as some B being D is never a possibility, then that would have been incorrect because some B being D can be a possibility, right? So, this becomes correct. All B being D is never a possibility is absolutely right because all B can never be D because of the presence of C. Some C or A not possible, there is no direct relationship. So, sorry, there is a negative relationship. So, this is gone. So, 1 and 2, conclusions 1 and 2 follow, which is in option C. Done? Question number 21. Dice based. When the face having alphabet A, so opposite A we have to find out. Opposite A you have to find out. Arey bhai, I'll use it without the pen only. Correct. Paras, Akash, everybody is right. Okay, Argamita has given the answer here also. Good job. It's a very easy question. See, they are asking you opposite A, okay? And there is only one common face which is A. That means D, E, B and C. D, E, B, C can never be opposite A. Just delete them. B, C, E will never be opposite. Only one option is left, that is F. Okay. Next, question number 22. Again a syllogism based question. But this one doesn't seem to be difficult. Okay, some kiwi is apple. Some kiwi is apple. Some apple is mango. Some mango is kiwi. Okay, interesting. Okay, all kiwi is mango? No. All mango is kiwi? No. Some mango is apple? Absolutely. Some apple is kiwi. Only 3 and 4. Pointless questions. Unnecessarily they complicated the Venn diagram for no reason. They could have used it they could have made it better. Arey yaar, I was selecting the pen and this got wrong. Correct. Very good. That's very good speed, Argamita, I must tell you. Good job. Very good, Paras. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very close. Very good. Excellent. What about the others? See, what is happening here? Buttress. Now the letters are the same. That means there is only simple movement. Okay. There are 8 letters here. Convert this into 4, 1 and 3. So this is flipped. This is as it is. This is flipped. That's how they are writing it. Okay. So for admitted, if I see 4 letters, A, D, M, I, T, leave it as it is. So we will start with I, M, D, A. We will leave 1 T and we will write D, E, T. This is what we need. Okay. Which is option B. Question number 24. Interesting, easy. We need to figure the odd figure out. Select the odd figure out. Figure classification based question. Amit, hopefully it's clear to you what was the error now. Correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. Paras is absolutely right. Amit, I think, yeah, Amit, you are also correct. Good job. Argamita is also correct. Good. So what is happening here? If you observe carefully the figures, the number of sides plus 1 is written inside. So square plus 1 is 5, quadrilateral plus 1, pentagon plus 1 is 6, again rhombus or quadrilateral plus 1 is 5 and hexagon plus 1 is 7, but this one is minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this becomes my odd one out. Option D is the correct answer. And the final question for today's session. Correct. What is the logic? The logic is the figures are moving in a pattern. What is the pattern? That this, observe them in sets of 2. Okay. So this set will move on the top, this will move one step below, and they will flip within each other. This is what the logic is. Okay. So this star in hexagon come on the top and then they flip, then the square and rectangle, square and star flip, triangle heart flip, and ampersand and at the rate flip. Same will happen here. Okay. So this will come on the top, star will come first and square will come next. This is only happening in option 2. Rest everything will follow. So option 2, figure 2, that is option B is the correct answer. Okay. So with that, we end the discussion here. Right? It was very fruitful today. Day by day as we progress, I can see you guys are taking more interest and you guys are participating more. This becomes more interactive and becomes more challenging and it is more fun. Okay. Anything which you want to know, you can let me know in the chat box. I will discuss it with you. Point number 2, please subscribe to the channel if you are watching it for the first time. Point number 3, thank you so much for watching it till the end. Point number 4, hit the like button if you are liking what we are bringing for you. And point number 5, do leave a positive feedback or whatever you want to say in the chat box after the session is over. With that, I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for joining live. Most welcome, bacha. Thank you so much for joining live. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. In the offline comment box, I'm waiting to read your comments. Bye-bye. Most welcome, Paras. Sure, sure, sure. We'll do that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Akash.